Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market update dated the 12th of October 2023. The equity benchmark remained range-bound session on October 12 after 2 straight days of gains, with the Sensex falling 64.66 points or 0.1% to 66,408.39 and the Nifty closing 17.30 points, or 0.09% lower at 19,794. Top Nifty gainers included PCBL, Coal India, and Maruti Suzuki, while the biggest losers were Tech Mahindra, Apollo Hospitals, and Infosys. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of manganese producer MOIL skyrocketed 16% to hit a 6-year high of 265 rupees per share on the BSE on October 12 after Quant Mutual Fund's gilt fund bought 11 lakh equity shares, or 0.5% stake in the counter at 226 rupees apiece via bulk deal, showed data. So far on October 12, around 1 crore shares exchanged hands at both the exchanges versus 13 lakh equity shares on a week average, revealed data. Meanwhile, around 8 lakh equity shares exchanged hands at the NSE and BSE on 1-month average basis. Aditya Birla Group-controlled GRASIM Industries recorded a 2% rally in the share price on October 12 to hit a fresh 52-week high. The company's board of directors will meet to consider raising funds through either a rights issue, or a preferential issue, or a qualified institutions placement, QIP. A meeting of the board of directors of GRASIM Industries Limited is scheduled to be held on Monday, October 16. To consider the proposal for raising of funds by way of equity shares or other securities through rights issue, qualified institutions placement, preferential issue or any other method, as may be permitted under the applicable law, subject to such regulatory or statutory approvals as may be required, GRASIM said in a filing with the exchanges. LAXMI organic stock was trading 5% lower on October 12. A day after the company announced a Rs 259 crore fundraise through qualified institutional placements. According to a regulatory filing, LAXMI Organic Industries completed a fundraise of 259 rupees crore through the QIP. The committee on October 10 approved the allotment of 9,625,579 equity shares of face value of 2 rupees at an issue price of 269.20 rupees a share. In the first quarter of the current financial year, LAXMI Organic reported net sales of 698.01 rupees crore, down 13.15% from 803.67 rupees crore in June 2022. Hospital chain operator Aster DM Healthcare's stock soared 5% on October 12, a day after reports of a potential sale of its India business emerged. Private equity firm BPA EQT and Ontario Teachers' Pension Plan Board have shown interest in acquiring Aster DM Healthcare Ltd's assets including its India business, the reports said. Other potential bidders for Aster's India business included Blackstone Inc. and KKR and Company. Shares of PCBL rallied 7% on October 12 to a 52-week high of 211 rupees on the NSE after the company was granted 2 patents for inventions related to specialty grade and surface-modified carbon black. In a regulatory filing, PCBL informed that it has been granted 2 patents by the Indian Patent Office. For an invention titled, Process for Treatment of Carbon Black and Oxidized Carbon Black Obtained Thereof, the company was granted patent No. IN 444448. This patent is in relation to the innovative process of PCBL Limited for modifications of specialty-grade carbon black, for inks and coating applications, it said. Danji Dums Limited in daily time frame is trading around 11.40 points with a change of 20%, and is trading with a net volume of around 6.264 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 10.05, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 60.70. Sky Gold Limited in daily time frame is trading around 469.05 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 841.534 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 381.95, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 85.37. MMTC Limited in daily time frame is trading around 70.55 points with a change of 19.88%, and is trading with a net volume of around 131.86 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 60.80, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 73.29. For stocks to watch, we have Hindustan Unilever looks good on current market price of 25.55. It can be bought at 2,558 rupees, keeping target of 2,602 rupees with stop loss of 25.24. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.